this is something which is very very important, that we should look at companies in terms of sales growth. And this is one parameter which most of us tend to miss out. But let me give you one logic. So yes, filtering is very very important, but what we should understand in the same context along with filtering is the fact of the matter that how do we look at companies as far as sales growth is concerned. And sales growth can be a very very important number. So let's say, if you look at a company like even HDFC Life, look at sales. 2013 it was 14,000 crores. 13, and then 14 it was 17,000 crores. 15, 27,000 crores. There was a dip in 2016, which is like the company sales dipped one third. So that is something which is going to happen. But if you see the CAGR in terms of what has happened in last 7 years, 8 years, so you will see the improvement. And this is something which is very important. And see, 2021 71,000 crores, huge numbers, which means the numbers have doubled. And if numbers have doubled, the stock price has not doubled. The point is that company is expanding, and people are realizing that yes, they are opting for the policies. They understand that what is the risk which is associated. So people are opting more and more for the life insurance. And this is something that we have to take note of. This is something that we need to understand, that yes, if a company can actually have good sales growth, if their sales numbers are growing. So if you see in terms of the TTM numbers, it is 141%. And for the last 5 years, if this number is greater than 20%, and last 3 years this is greater than 20%, it means something. That means the company is actually having good sales, consistent sales. And this can actually lead to huge compounding in future. But of course, like as I said, we just discussed three parameters. There are various parameters. So I'm sure like most of you might have doubts in terms of so there can be very various other parameters in terms of when we look at minutely as far as company is concerned. So you don't need to worry. Like we analyze various parameters before we come to the conclusion that yes, we have to go with this company or we don't have to go with this company, whether this company is worth holding or whether this company is not worth holding a stock. So once you understand that yes, this is something which is the potential, this is something which is available, then like everything falls in place. And you understand that yes, these are important criterias. After looking at these criterias, we should go ahead and pick the company. So sales numbers, sales growth is important when we identify, when we look at any company in detail.